Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fantastic product that every tabletop gamer should consider adding to their collection, the CiaraQ DND Polyhedral dice set. If you're interested in getting your hands on this set, we've included a link in the description for you to check out the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the CiaraQ DND dice set? This set comprises 15 high-quality acrylic polyhedral dice, ranging from D4 to D100. That's right, this set has you covered for virtually every role you'll ever need during your gaming sessions. Whether you're rolling for initiative, damage, or skill checks, these dice are designed to meet the demands of your gameplay. Let's talk about some of the standout features of this set. First and foremost, the quality of the dice is impressive. Made from premium acrylic, these dice are not only lightweight but also remarkably durable, ensuring they can withstand countless game nights without showing significant wear and tear. Additionally, each die features large, clear numbers that are easy to read at a glance, which means you can focus more on your strategy and less on squinting to see your rolls. Another important aspect is the versatility of this dice set. It's perfect for a wide range of games beyond just Dungeons and Dragons. Whether you're into Magic, The Gathering, Pathfinder, Shadowrun, or even casual games like Yahtzee, these dice can enhance your experience. They can also be used for math games, making them a fun educational tool for young learners. Now, who is this dice set suitable for? Well, it's designed for both seasoned gamers and those new to the tabletop gaming world. If you're a dungeon master looking to elevate your game or a player wanting to add a fresh set of dice to your arsenal, this set is an excellent choice. Just keep in mind that due to small parts, it's essential to keep these dice away from young children and ensure adult supervision during play. As for practical use cases, imagine gathering your friends for a D&D night, and everyone pulls out their beautiful, matching CiaraQ dice. The moment you roll a critical hit with that D20 or pull off an epic spell with your D12, the excitement is palpable. These dice not only serve a functional purpose but also add a visual flair to your gaming experience.